Hi, I'm Mick Sadler, and today we're going to do 5 tips for getting you started in macro. So you need to start with a camera that has got interchangeable lenses. Tip number 1. What you need to get is extension tubes. These fit in between the lens and the camera and allow you to focus whatever lens you've got much closer. Now macro is technically 1:1, although extension tubes won't quite reach that. You'll get much closer than you can without them. You can buy manufacturers' extension tubes, and that case they're quite expensive, but there's a lot of third-party ones out there. I'm using a Fuji, and you can get them for all sorts of cameras, but make sure they're automatic, that the aperture will show when you've got them on, and that is essential. Now with this shot, you can see the first shot I've got as close as I can without extension tubes, and you can see we're quite far away. I put the 2 extension tubes on, which is 26mm, and you can see how much closer you can get. You can get really close. Tip number 2. When you're shooting closer, it means the depth of field is a lot narrower, and so therefore you need to go with a much smaller aperture in the region of f11, f16. This extends your depth of field. You can see in the example we've shot a ruler, one with f4, and you can see the depth of field, and the other one f16. You can see how much more is in focus. Tip number 3. Use a high shutter speed, which will help you steady things, especially if you're hand holding. If you're on a tripod, it's not so important, but if you're hand holding 250th and if there's insects, then you need to freeze the action. If you're using flash, obviously the flash duration is much shorter and will freeze any action. Tip number 4. Light your subject. Now it's important that you use, if you've got lighting, and you can use a reflector to reflect light back into the subject. Will give you a much more pleasing image. In this example we've shot an orchid, and the first one is with flash, and then the second one we've added a reflector underneath, and you can see that it reflects light back into the subject. Flash is another way you can get light into your subject. You just need to make a light modifier to fit on your flash. Basically a piece of paper or a piece of card, elastic band, and a piece of tissue or kitchen roll, something like that, which will do the trick, help you to put light into the subject. Tip number 5. Add in a background, and it's not really important what it is. It's colours that are suitable for you, because everything in the background will be really out of focus. So don't really matter what's on it, as long as the colours appeal to you or enhance the image, then use them. This is the background I used, nothing special, and you can see in the video me putting the background in, and you can see how out of focus it is, and how you can change the background to what you want. Well, thanks for watching. Thanks for staying till the end, really. We've got some more coming up. Please like and subscribe, and leave any comments down below, and we'll be delighted to get back to you. We'll see you again next time.